Hey people, if you are looking for a place to learn how to make a perfect buns, this place is for you. Check it out. Hey family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you are watching this video and depending the country you are watching from. I greet you all according to your time. God bless you all. So today we'll be making Nigeria homemade buns. Yes, let's get started. I have my bowl and I have my sugar, my baking powder, my salt and my pepper, and I have my oil and my egg mixed together, and I also have my milk, my purple flour. Let's get started by measuring the flour. So I add all my dry ingredients inside the purple flour and I mix together. Then I add my liquid egg and oil inside the dry ingredients. Then after that I mix together. At this point I'll be adding my milk little by little. Mix very well. I'll add the remaining milk and mix together. I will mix. At this point, I will mix it very well. Yes, I'm done mixing. Nice and creamy. So at this point, we'll have to go to the fire to fry our buns. I have my pot of oil on the fire already. The oil is hot, so at this point I will start cutting my buns. Yes, so I noticed that the hand is not faster, then I transfer to a knife. If you are using knife to cut buns in your hand, please do not use the sharp side, use the bad side. Yes, because if you use the front side you may cut your hand and we don't want that for you. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe and turn on the bell icon for next time. Bye.